artistic and loved to color. What they didn't tell me was why he lived in terror of water. I walked into the playroom expecting to find a typical kid playing with toys. Instead, I found Nico at a small table covered in drawings. Every single picture showed people floating face down in blue scribbles. Some had their mouths open in silent screams. When he saw me, he held up his latest creation. The baby's still down there. The social worker pulled me aside and explained that Nico had anxiety about water. She said it was manageable with the right approach, but something felt much darker than a simple anxiety. He'd been returned by 4 families already because his reactions to water were too extreme. I thought they were being weak. All kids have fears we can overcome, right? During our second visit, Nico showed me more drawings hidden under his mattress. Dozens of pictures of the same scene. A small figure sinking while a bigger figure held it down. He used black crayon for the baby's hair. He had soft hair like mine, he whispered while tracing the drowning figure. When I asked who the baby was, Nico started rocking